Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the 3-in-1 LTE 4G USB modem with Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's dive right in and see what this device has to offer. First, let's take a look at the packaging. The front of the box highlights the key features of this modem. It's designed for high-speed wireless connections up to 150 megabits per second, supports plug-and-play functionality, and can share internet with up to 10 Wi-Fi devices. Perfect for smartphones, notebooks, and tablets. On the back, we have more detailed specifications. It supports multiple network types including FDD-LTE, TDD-LTE, and WCDMA/HSPA+. The frequency scope covers various bands, making it versatile for different regions. The data rate goes up to 150 megabits per second for download and 50 megabits per second for upload on FDD/TDD-LTE. Inside the box, we find the modem itself. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It uses a standard USB 2.0 interface for connectivity and supports micro 6-pin SIM cards. The modem also features a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, enabling internet sharing with multiple devices. This is particularly useful when traveling or in areas with limited wired internet access. Setting up the modem is straightforward. Simply plug it into a USB port, and it's ready to go. No need for a CD-ROM or any additional software installation, thanks to its plug-and-play technology. It's compatible with a wide range of operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once connected, you can easily share your internet connection with up to 10 devices. Perfect for creating a small Wi-Fi network on the go. We tested the modem with various activities like streaming videos, browsing the web, and video conferencing. The connection was stable, and the speeds were impressive, making it a reliable option for everyday use. In conclusion, the 3-in-1 LTE 4G USB modem with Wi-Fi hotspot is a versatile and handy device. Its ease of use, high-speed connectivity, and portability make it a great addition to your tech arsenal. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or need a backup internet source, this modem has got you covered. Thanks for watching our review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.